This video will give you one idea of how to simplify a radical into simplest radical form. The first thing I do is create a factor tree. I don't know if there are any perfect squares that go into 192. So I'm just going to break it down into the smallest possible values that go into 192. I know 2 goes into 192 because it's an even number. 2 times 96 is 192. 96 can be broken down into 2 times 48. 48 is equal to 2 times 24. 24 is equal to 2 times 12. 12 is equal to 2 times 6, and finally 6 is equal to 2 times 3. I cannot break down the numbers any further than that. These are the roots of 192, and they are all prime numbers. So the next thing I do is I circle all of the roots. So these are the numbers at the end of the branches. There are no branches going off of these numbers. They sort of stand alone by themselves. And once I have them circled, these are the numbers that I use to rewrite the square root of 192. So it's broken down into its most smallest parts. So I'm just moving all the numbers up under the radical sign. These two are equivalent. The one on the right is just all the prime factors of 192. I then can combine the roots into perfect squares. I know 2 times 2 is 4. I know 2 times 2 is 4. I know 2 times 2 is 4. And 3 is left over by itself. I know the square root of 4 is 2. The square root of 4 is 2. The square root of 4 is 2. So I can rewrite this as 2 times 2 times 2, but I still have the square root of 3 left under the radical sign. Finally, I can simplify by multiplying 2 times 2 times 2 together to get 8. I still have 3 left under the radical sign. My final simplest radical form is 8 square root 3.